Hello everyone, this is Elohim Tutorial YouTube channel and you all are welcome. And today we are going to learn about some of the basic things of the English grammar. And first of all, today we are going to learn about persons. In English, there are three persons: first person, second person, and third person. And for the three persons, there are singular and plural form. And these are the singular forms of the three persons. In English, there are first person, second person, and the third person. First person singular is I. Then second person singular is you. Third person singular is he, she, it, or any others. I is known as the first person and the you is known as the second person, or all other persons, things, or the names of the places or person or any other things are known as the third person. And these are the singular forms, and there are plural forms of these three persons. Plural form of the first person is we. Plural form of the second person also you. There's no change. Then plural form of the third person is they. Okay, there are three persons in English: first person, second person, and third person. And there are singular and plural form of these three persons. Singular form of the first person is I, plural form is we. Singular form of the second person is you, plural is also you. Then singular form of the third person is he, she, or it, or any other names of the places, persons, or things. And the plural form of the third person is they. We learned about three persons: first person, second person, and third person. First person, there is only I and the plural is we. Second person you, plural also is the same you. And all other subjects are coming under the third person. Anything except I and you are known as the third person. Not only he, she, or it. We can write any names of a place like India. We can write any name of a fruit like apple, or any bird, animal. All these things are coming under third person. And the plural form of these are, if he, she, it are the singular, then plural is they. And certain persons or nouns have no plural, or the singular and the plural are also the same. But here we have apple, then plural form will be apples, right? Then if it is a bird, then birds. If it is animal, then it will be animals. All other things except I and you for the first and second person, all other things are under third persons. If the name of any person, place, or any other things are coming under third person singular. And the plural form also will be the same. We and you are the plurals of first and second persons, and the third person plural are coming. If he, she, or it, then it will be they. Then if the name of any fruits, there will be now plural nouns for that. Then if it is a bird, then birds. If it is an animal, then it will be animals. Okay, next we are going to learn some of the things which is coming with these subjects or coming with these persons. I said there are three persons: first person, second person, and third person, and these are the singular forms of the persons, and these are the plural forms of the persons. And what are the things coming with these persons? First of all, we are going to look do or does. If it is first person singular or if it is I, then do will come with this. Then if it is second person singular, then also the same do. Just like I do, you do. Then if it is third person singular, it is not do, it will be does. Okay, he does, she does, it does. Then bird does, animal does. If it is a name of any person, it will be does. If it is a name of any place or birds or animals or any other things, it will be, if it is third person singular, it will be does. Then with the plural form, always with the three persons, always it will be do. Okay, these are the present forms of do or does. Then if it is coming to the past form, it will be did. Always the same. Did. Just like I did, you did, he did. Always will be the same. Did with all three persons, both in singular and plural forms. And another thing is the use of is, are. How can we use is or are with the three persons, both in singular and plural forms? If it is first person singular or if it is I, then it will be am. Then if it is second person singular, that is you, then it will be am. Just like I am, you are. Then when we come to third person singular, this not am or are, it will be is. He is, she is, it is, a bird is, animal is. Then in the plural form, there will be always are with the three persons. We are, you are, they are, birds are, animals are. Here we have in third person singular, it is he is or she is. When we come to third person plural, it will be they are. Bird is, birds are. Animal is, animals are. See the difference? These are the present form of is, am or are. And what will be the past form of this was or were? If it is first person singular or with I, it will be was. Then with second person singular, that is you, it will be were. Okay. I was, you were. With the third person singular, it will be the same was. He was, she was, it was, bird was, animal was. Okay. Then with the plural form of the three persons, it will be were. We were, you were, they were, birds were, animals were. With the third person singular, bird was. Third person plural, birds were. Just like this. In the present form, we saw bird is, birds are. In the past form, bird was, birds were. Then another thing is has or have. Has or have. With I, it will be always have. Okay? With the I, it will be always have. I have. Then with the second person singular, the same. You have. I have, you have. Then with the third person singular, the he, she or it, it will be has. He has, she has, it has, bird has, animal has. And when we come to the plural form, in three persons, with three persons, it will be have. We have, you have, they have, birds have. See the difference? In third person singular, bird has, he has. When we come to third person singular, they have, birds have, animals have. And these are the present form. And the past form of this is had. With all these persons, it will be the same. Had. 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 Okay? With the three persons, the past form of has or have will be had, and with these three forms or three persons, both in singular and a plural, it will be always had. I had, you had, he had. Then when we come to plural form, we had, you had, they had, or birds had, or animals had. Today we learned about the basic things in English grammar, that is about persons. We learned about first person, second person and third person, and we learned both in singular and plural form. And they are in singular, first person is I, second person you, and all other subjects are coming in the third person singular. Then we learned about the plural form of this person, first person we, second person you, then third person of these are they, or any plural form of the names of a person's place or any animals or any other things. And we learned about some of the basic things coming with these persons and what are the difference. If it is do or does, we have only change in third person singular, that is does, he does or she does, it does. Then plural form of past form of this will be the same as did. Then we learned about the use of is, are. With the first person singular, that is with I, it will be always am. With you, are. With the third person, it will be is, he is, she is, it is. Then plural form of this always will be the same as are. We are, you are, they are. Then the past form of this is was or were. I was, you were. With the third person singular, he was, she was. Then the plural form of this will be the same as were. We were, you were, they were. Then we learned about the use of has or have, right? With the first person singular, it will be I have, then you have. We have only one change in third person singular, that is he has, she has, it has. then the plural form of this will be the same with all three persons, both in singular and plural forms. It will be had. Okay. Now try to learn about these basic things of the English grammar and you will be okay. Thank you for watching us, and if you are watching this video first time, you are welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you will receive all the notification when we upload our new videos. Thank you.